I think everybody has a kind of sense of when they are maybe ahead of somebody or how they can picture themselves ahead of somebody at something, especially as it relates to something that they do or they're knowledgeable of. What clouds people's judgment is their attachment. A person might come up with an idea and then become so attached to it. And this attachment is emotional. That's when a person is less objective and more subjective. There is a place for subjectivity, for in the process of being objective, in order to know where someone else's mind is, you must become subjective to their feelings and their thoughts. Then a strategy is made by being objective about their subjective feelings or mental state, courage, and wisdom. Ground of contention is critical. Ground on which it would be advantageous if you had it first for you, or advantageous for the opponent if they had it first. So Sun Tzu says, let there be no attack on the ground of contention. And of course it makes sense. Either you have something first or you don't. You must be ahead of your time to get ground of contention, ahead of everyone else before they see. A general sees what others do not see. Great wisdom isn't known. Great merit isn't advertised. The idea is to see a problem before it forms and solve it before it forms. Then no one calls you brave because there is no fight. Who calls you clever when they never even got to see the problem? But power is a private passion. Only you know if you have won your game. Then when competent, appear to be incompetent, and when effective, appear to be ineffective. With enemies and loved ones. With opponents and enemies because you will need to overcome them. With those you love because it is humble. Same rule applied in different ways. Facebook was the first no-nonsense, practical social media site. Tesla, ground of contention, electric cars. Amazon, ground of contention, online retail. No matter how hard you work, without ground of contention, you will not win.